Hi, so Bill here again. Today we'll be discussing about ServiceNow dashboards, and we have completed the course on how to build reports, right? A very comprehensive one, and now it's dashboards. So here is what you will see, right? A dashboard is basically a consolidation of multiple reports in a single point location, right? And technically speaking, reports are just widgets, right? So it's a dashboard is a series of widgets or reports consolidated in one place, right? And to be able to do that and create the dashboard is basically it's quite straightforward in ServiceNow. You go to self-service and you go to dashboards, and you could basically be able to create one. You could see on the upper right, and you have quite a few examples already that you could reference on. But here, you will see live, right, on how to create one on my following video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next lesson. Thank you so much.